Hey, hello guys, welcome back to this game developing whatever doodads videos. And I thought I'd show you my progress. I've been working not really hard, but kind of self-forgetful, whatever. I don't know what the right word is in English is. I know it, but I forgot it. So I've been working a lot, not really a lot, but enough. I've been working enough, and I thought I got some pretty cool results at this point. Let me show you what I got here. So my game here, it's kind of glitchy. I hope it won't be glitchy inside game. Okay, it is kind of glitchy. So that's why I got currently. Check this out. Let me go invulnerable. Okay, so now I'm in the vulnerable. This is me, player. You can see me. You can see there, right there. Check here. Look at the box in the top left corner. It says player and it says my coordinates, my ID, whatever. So this here, this little guy is a killiter. How do I focus you, killiter? Well, basically you can see rare up there. It says killiter. So this killiter, it will shoot at me. It will shoot bullets mindlessly at me, and it cannot be murdered by anything. Except for the player bullet. If it's getting exploded, it will just not care about it. See, yeah, doesn't care about it. And if it's getting shot, it won't care about it unless it's me. Let's check this out. Let's try. Oh yeah, when you kill a killiter, you can see he spawned 2 other enemies above and below him. There is now 2 killiters in the game, and you can see. Oh, interesting. This killiter is very weird and huge radius. That is very interesting. This is something that is not supposed to happen. Colliders is supposed to be very small radius, even smaller than the colliders. That is very weird. I'll have to check. This is a bug, definitely a bug. Okay, bug confirmed. So the collider is supposed to, when on death, spawn 2 colliders that will be above and below him. Let me try to murder this guy. Yeah, see? Above and below. But these are not really supposed to be here. Let me just reset the game. Yeah, you see this beautiful screen? Game over. Never send. Press escape to retry. And yeah, I really like this game. So, invulnerable mode is I on the keyboard. So basically, this here is a counter. It can be counter of anything. It just uses colliders here. So yeah, I really like the text that it goes, and I really like the font. I found this font. Can I show it to you? I think I should. Well, basically I should, so it doesn't matter if I can or not. The font is press start to P. It was on the internet. It is an open font, so I hope you can find it. Yeah, look at this. This is definitely a bug. A collider is right there, so this definitely has to be fixed. Interesting. The collider is here. Maybe yeah, he will bounce off of normal colliders and he will murder them sometimes. So here is the counter for the colliders, and your job in game is to get this counter as high as possible. Basically, in invulnerable mode, you can just fly up to him and say, "Hey, you, punk," and just shoot him. Yeah, and then shoot that guy and shoot that guy. Come here. That's easy to get it up high. That's interesting. It didn't spawn. Yeah, there's definitely some things going on. I don't know. Okay, I'll fix all those bugs because yeah, it's good. So the game goes like this. Let me go out of invulnerable mode. The game is always like this. You start to fly around and try to shoot the killiter to get him to spread. You try to get him. Okay, I got him. Look, I actually got him 2 times. Oh, and then you die. I got my score right here. See, it's 4. I got 4 maximum killiters. So let me show you the meta tactic, though. There is a meta tactic already that I developed. When the game starts, you press an arrow key, like you fly down and press arrow key up and start shooting, like this. This will guarantee that you murder a lot of killiters before you go down. So as you can see, I already got 13 killiters. This can be a potential remove from the game because it's OP, but it can be left because I actually think that's a funny way to get a lot of killiters very fast. So yeah, the game is challenging, and this is also weird. Sometimes you get a lot of colliders randomly. I don't know why, but it just happens somehow. I'll have to go look into the code to get it, to find why is it so. So yes, for now I really like the game. I really like my invulnerability mode. In vulnerability mode, you can spawn any entities. You can say E. It'll spawn a Rotter 1. You see, Rotter 1, just Rotter, simple Rotter. And you can spawn Rotter 2s. These guys that were used to fix all the bugs that I had with rotters and colliders that were going ham. Then you can spawn collider. Oh, there is a new feature. You can spawn colliders. This is C. And then you can spawn big colliders. This is V. Yeah, this one. This is a big collider. Yeah. Okay, cool. And you can actually murder the big collider. Ah, yeah, there you go. And you can spawn a bunch of them. And they will bounce out of each other like they should. And then they'll try to stay out. So yeah. Then you can also spawn colliders, of course. This is B. B? Yeah, B spawns collider. It will spawn it around you. It will, I don't remember what the radius is. I think it's 100 or something. But it will try to spawn it, but it cannot spawn it in around you. So it checks for the radius on impact. So yeah, you can spice up your game with some colliders B, because these guys are immortals. They can only get murdered by you. No, they can actually get murdered by bullets, but they won't split on bullets. So they will only split if they're hit by a player bullet. If they're hit by a bullet, they will die. If they're hit by explosion, they'll do nothing, because it was unfair. Because when you, let me show you why it was unfair. It was unfair that when you start a game, next to a collider that could have been an entity, and the collider just dies. This is unfair. So yeah, there's no random explosions going on to murder the poor collider, not collider. I really like the difference that this is a collider and that this is a collider. I think that's pretty cool. So I'll go look into the radius, and yeah, I thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this awesome video. I definitely enjoyed making the game and the video. Man, oh, poor guy, he got exploded. And they change color, yeah. And these obey this. They are actually colliders. They obey all the collider rules. So if you go ahead and just try to spawn, I don't know what, big colliders on top of him, yeah, he'll bounce up. He'll murder them, of course, but he will bounce with those. I also fixed the bug where if you spawn a lot of colliders, like in a corner, and they get this, and their centers are basically this was a bug overall, but it only was visible for colliders. They were in the corner, and then their centers would be so close that the radius, the distance between them was 0. And basically, when this happened, math.ext generate generate rotation, make rotation function. It was just, I don't know. It was divided by 0, and that's why strange things were happening to those colliders. So I fixed it, and when the two guys overlap, when two colliders or whatever, when two entities have their centers at the same spot, make rotation just returns 0, so they will bounce off of each other. So yeah, I really like the game. Look at those numbers. Those numbers are so high because of the bullets. And this, you see here, this collider is going ham. This is actually true. This is intentional. I wanted the game. The colliders will just sit here for the beginning, but then when there's a lot of them, they'll start bounce off of each other and off of these guys, and they'll start spreading, and the game just becomes impossible. Basically, you cannot kill any colliders that are here. You have to control the battlefield. You have to stay here, and from here you have to murder all the colliders. Come on, guy, die already. Yeah, die. You have to murder all the colliders. Yeah, it's very interesting because the explosions are murdering your bullets, so there is no real easy way to try to, yeah, there we go. You just have to move. Okay, so yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next Collider World game. Bye bye.